So I'm calling with some learnings about the marketing week. I think this week was focused on basically outreach marketing, and I mean I think the wheel is still going on, so I think it's not over, and I think this week is going to be replied at least partially next week, and I think a couple of things that I spent my time on is like I did marketing, especially on LinkedIn. I think some of the learning there is that at least marketing sounds kind of relatively esoteric and difficult to me. However, I realized that once you spend enough time on that, you set up the processes is not that difficult. And I think it's not only difficult, but I think it's more about like how to unblock your mind in a way that accepts certain things. Because I think a lot of things are not difficult, are just not what you want to do. And I think that's a different question. So I think I learned that up to now, I think the cost of acquisition, the cost per click is going to be, it's between 60 to 70 cents. I think 64 or 67 cents, something like that. And what else? I think up to now there is no conversions. I think theoretically it's kind of fine as long as the cost of acquisition is below the lifetime value of your customer. So I think I'll continue monitoring that and see if I need to change the strategy, or probably I need to change something in the product. I think something that is in my mind is that probably is better to have like a instant onboarding and trial period of, let's say, a few days, instead of try that people book a call about a demo. So I think probably that's something that I'm going to modify for next week. What else? I think I also learned that there is some tools for now on marketing. I especially use Cloud Design. I think that was very, very useful and basically help to people like, for example, that myself, I think I'm not super good at understanding the colors, the fonts, all that. And I think having that kind of tools is way, it's basically a very good help to do that by yourself. So I think I explored that, and those are great learnings. I think also I sent in the hundreds of messages on LinkedIn. I think my guess is that I sent, I don't know, but between 120 to 150, I guess. But I think they can be more. So I think that we should be more optimized. I think now I understand what is the profile of people that I'm targeting. I also understand how to use the system. So I think hopefully next week is going to be way faster about that. So yeah, I think basically those are the updates. So I think next week is going to be another marketing week. I still need to post 2 times this week, that in this case is going to be the weekend. I think I'll try also to post more, basically more in regular intervals. I think that's going to be more productive. Anyway, so I think that's enough for today. Thanks.